So, what exactly is machine learning? It's a subfield of artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn and improve on their own without being explicitly programmed. Think of it as a self-improving algorithm.
That sounds fascinating. I've heard people talk about deep learning, but what's the difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence? Can you break that down for us?
Well, artificial intelligence is a broader term that encompasses not just machine learning, but also other areas like natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. Machine learning is more focused on developing algorithms that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data.
I see what you mean now. That makes sense. But why is machine learning so important? How does it impact our daily lives?
Machine learning has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. For instance, predictive maintenance in manufacturing can reduce downtime and increase efficiency. In medicine, machine learning can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly.
That's incredible. I had no idea it was used in healthcare as well. But what about its limitations? What are some common misconceptions people have about machine learning?
One common misconception is that machine learning is a silver bullet for all problems. It's not. Machine learning requires large amounts of high-quality data, and it can be difficult to interpret the results sometimes.
That makes sense. I think people often underestimate the amount of work that goes into preparing the data before even feeding it into a machine learning model.
Exactly. And another misconception is that machine learning can replace human intelligence completely. While machines can process large amounts of data quickly, they still lack creativity and common sense. Human oversight and judgment are crucial in many applications. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's all about developing algorithms that can improve their performance on a task over time.
I see, so it's like how we learn new skills or habits. We start with some initial knowledge and then through experience and feedback, we get better at it. Can you explain the different types of machine learning?
There are three primary types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where the correct output is already provided. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves finding patterns or relationships in unlabeled data.
That makes sense. So it's like the difference between being told what to do and figuring things out for yourself. What about reinforcement learning? I've heard of that term before but not really sure how it works.
Reinforcement learning involves training an agent to take actions in an environment to maximize a reward signal. It's often used in applications like game playing or robotics, where the goal is to learn through trial and error.
Wow, that sounds fascinating. So it's all about interacting with the environment and learning from feedback. What are some key concepts that we need to understand when working with machine learning?
Some of the most important concepts include overfitting, underfitting, bias variance trade-off, and regularization techniques. Overfitting occurs when a model is too complex and fits the training data too closely.
I see what you mean. So it's like trying to find the perfect balance between fitting the data and generalizing well to new situations. Can we talk more about these concepts?
So, in conclusion, machine learning is a crucial part of the modern data-driven world. It allows us to automate tasks, make predictions, and gain insights from complex datasets.
I see it everywhere now, from personalized recommendations on Netflix to smart home devices that can recognize our voice commands. How do you think machine learning will continue to impact our daily lives?
That's a great point. With the increasing availability of data and computing power, we're seeing more and more applications in areas like healthcare, finance, and education.
I'd love to dive deeper into some of those examples. Can you give us a few real-world scenarios where machine learning is being used? That's fascinating. And what about the potential risks or limitations of machine learning? We've all heard stories about biased algorithms or AI systems gone wrong.
Yes, those are valid concerns. Ensuring fairness and transparency in machine learning models is crucial to avoid perpetuating existing biases or creating new ones.
I'd like to explore that topic further. What do you think are the key challenges facing the development of more transparent and accountable AI systems?